One piece of advice I want to give to anyone new to cloud computing, whether you are in first year or just getting started, don't hesitate to spend money on the cloud. And most importantly, don't be afraid of losing some money. Yes, all major platforms have free tiers, AWS, DigitalOcean, GCP, but if you accidentally go beyond free tier, just contact support. Explain that you are a student and it was a mistake. 99% of the time they will reimburse you. I've personally been there. Once I got a check of about 4,000 rupee. I contacted the support, explained my situation and they fully reimbursed me. AWS gives you 1 year of free usage. GCP usually gives free credits for the 3 to 4 months. Check their website because this keeps changing. DigitalOcean gives $200 in free credits if you sign up with your university email. But here's the main point. Log in, create account and start playing with servers and services. Exploring and experimenting is the only way to actually learn cloud and DevOps. You don't learn how to swim by watching videos. You need to get into the pool. Same is with the cloud. The main reason I was able to get cloud internships and even clear GSoC in the Kubernetes ecosystem is because I started early. I was linking my bank account, experimenting with servers and wasn't afraid to spend a little. If you don't have a bank account, talk to your parents and ask them to allocate a small budget for this. Trust me, this small investment will pay you back many times over in the future. When I was in my first year, many of my classmates hesitated. They avoided spending even Rupee 50 on cloud. But I didn't, and that's why I was ahead in this field. I've been dealing with servers and clusters since day one. If you want, you can even explore certification exams. But first, just open an account, try things and avoid the mistakes of just watching tutorials without practice. You were listening to MadMe Codes. If you have any doubts, drop them in comments. I would love to answer them. And if needed, I will make a dedicated video for the same. Thank you for your valuable time. Make sure you subscribe for more tech insights.